Hello, welcome to my channel. I am your friend Ali Shakir. This video is very important for those people who are in business or want to start a business. I will share some personal experience with you. Watch this video in its entirety and do not skip this video. How can we grow our business with the help of YouTube, website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Google advertisement and other things. In this video, I will tell you two ways you can grow your business. Before you start this video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Number one, YouTube. You can grow any business in the world with the help of YouTube. Growing your business on YouTube is very easy. First, you create a YouTube channel. When you create a YouTube channel and upload video related to brand, product and business and give review on this product. Such a high price in the market and we have so much available in its low price. That's why you will get more clients. One thing you must always remember, you have to provide good thing for your client which you show in the video. If you cannot create a channel and edit videos, you can contact me. I can easily promote your business. If you want to contact me, you can message in the comment. Number two, you can grow your business with the help of Facebook. Product pictures upload on Facebook and create Facebook page. In the next video, I will tell you can create Facebook page. Thanks for watching my video.